Susan. Today's challenge is a challenge for making it new. And I got this box at a thrift store for $1. And all I'm going to do is paint it white with Waverly chalk paint. And I'm going to decorate this box. It took 2 good coats and touch-up to get everything covered. And I covered all around the bottom, but I did not worry about the inside. And except for the little edges, as you see where I'm painting now. And I just want to get it coated really well. Here I'm decorating my box with stickers from Dollar Tree. I didn't want to have to fool with my Cricut for something so small, and I had these stickers and they work perfectly. And I also have some cute 3-dimensional stickers from Dollar Tree, and if you've watched my channels, you know how much I love my kitty cats. So you'll see what I'll do. There they are, and it's all kitty cat related. But I'm going to make my to-do box, and I'll explain that in a minute what that is. So I'm using the little kitty cat with the yarn as my O. And then I'm just going to add my B and my X, and it'll spell out to-do box. And you'll see in a minute that I'm going to put little kitty cat prints on the top between to and do. The idea of my to-do box was inspired by my friend Carol of My Blessed Nest. She had a video on organization and using index cards, so I wanted to make a box with all those tasks that come around once in a while, like cleaning closets, cleaning bathroom drawers, etc. I will have them in my to-do slot, pull a card, do what needs to be done, and move it to my done slot until I work through all the cards, and then I can start over. Here I'm making my cards for my to-do and done slots. Now I'm writing out some of those tasks that you don't do all the time, but that you need to do in a fairly regular way. I figure if you've got to clean, you might as well make it as fun as you can. And here's my box. I think it's going to help a lot. I hope it does anyway. Today's Make It New challenge is hosted by Jessenia of Make It Thrifty too. Jessenia is very talented. We have participated in many of the same challenges and collabs, and I love what she does. Her co-host is Anna of DIYs and Crafts with Anna. Anna and I have also participated in many of the same challenges and collabs, and I feel have become friends. She is also very talented. Both of these ladies' channels will be listed in the description box down below, as well as the playlist. Check them out. You won't be disappointed. My second project is also a thrifted item. I got this pretty box for $2, and it actually came with filler, like potpourri type filler. And it's a little beat up, so I'm going to paint it black, and I'm just painting the inside and the outside, but I'm not painting the acorns on the side. I'm leaving those in the original color. I believe this box is so pretty. It's very solid, and I love the design of it. It's a very pretty piece. It only took one coat, and I just dried it with a hair dryer so that I could get the other side. And basically then all I did was just decorate. I kept it very simple. I just put my garland I got from Dollar Tree and just put it in the bottom of my little box. And then I took 2 picks that I had from Dollar Tree and just decorated it that way. And I was very happy with the way it turned out, and it was very simple. I hope you like this. I think they're beautiful. I love my decorative box, and I love my to-do box. It's a day of boxes, I guess. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you hadn't. Share. Tell me what you like about it. Comment down below. So until next time, bye.